Welcome to Scramjet Cloud Platform. After completing the registration process, please log in to the panel with your credentials. In this short video, we will guide you how through the environment setup and a simple sequence deployment. For the environment preparation, please click the Prepare for Launch button. Please be aware that to use our platform, you need to have Linux-based operating system, for example, Ubuntu. You will also need Node.js with its package manager installed. If you have that, you are ready to install our Scramjet CLI package. Copy this command and paste it into the terminal. This terminal output confirms that the CLI installation is successful and complete. Next, click the Generate Token button. It will authorize your space access. The token will be generated only once and will not be saved here. Please store it on your device. The next step is to follow the CLI configuration setup. Copy the command and paste it into the terminal. Check if your setup is working properly by listing the sequences. Copy the command and paste it into the terminal. This output shows that we have one sequence available named hello. We will start the sequence with this command. We will also need the sequence ID, which can be found here. The sequence is up and running. It means that there is a separate runtime environment created for it, and the sequence code will be executed inside this runtime entity. This is how the instance is created. Running sequence is called the instance. The next step is to see the program's output, the instance output. Copy the command and paste it into the terminal. Again, we need the ID to get the instance's output. We see nothing here yet because the instance waits for the data to be passed as stdin. We will pass the data using this command, copy and paste. And instance ID. Enter. Now, we can type in some data. For example, a random name, John. Enter. We can see that the data was passed successfully. What the sequence does is, it takes the data from the input, adds hello as a prefix, and then passes it to the output stream. Congratulations! You have deployed your first Scramjet sequence. As you still have the instance running, you can see it in the Space Beta screen. This screen contains your space content. You can move around your hub's instances and sequences. You can also have a look at the instance's details. Or you can also have a look at the logs. These are collective logs from all the hubs. You can also download the logs as a TXT file. That would be all for now. Thank you for listening.